Okay, so we will continue our first chapter of political science, Cold War era. In last video, I told you about Cold War, how it was started. I told you the reasons. I told you the treaties which made or formed by the both alliances, by the both groups. I told you about the ideology of both countries, both groups. Okay, so now here we will continue about NATO and Warsaw Pact, which were the main two treaties made by both alliances, both groups. So, first, NATO, okay, North Atlantic Treaty Organization, NATO, okay, North Atlantic Treaty Organization, which made by America. It was the part of Western Alliance. Okay, NATO treaty was the part of Western Alliance, and America, USA was the head of North Atlantic Treaty Organization, which came into existence in April 1949. Okay, it came into existence in 1949. Now come to in book. Here is given like 12 countries were there. How many countries were in the NATO group or under of this treaty? So here is written 12 states, 12 countries of Western Alliance were the members of NATO treaty, North Atlantic Organization, which declared that armed attack on any one of them in Europe or North America would be regarded as an attack on all of them. And that means कि America create treaty for all 12 states, all 12 countries of Western Alliance, and they consider that if Soviet Union, if USSR going to attack any of them amongst of 12, any of them, so they will consider that they attack on USA, they attack on Western Alliance, and they will whatever the decision and action they have to take against of the USSR. Now come to Eastern Alliance. Eastern Alliance. Okay. Western Alliance formed by America. Eastern Alliance formed by the Russia. Okay. And for Eastern Alliance only we used Soviet Union, we used USSR. Okay, so Eastern Alliance known as the Warsaw Pact. This NATO Pact, NATO treaty formed by the America, now Warsaw Pact created by USSR. Okay, it was led by Soviet Union, means USSR. Warsaw Pact Treaty. So Warsaw Pact Treaty, it was the part of Eastern Alliance which made or created by the Soviet Union. Now come to, it was created in 14th May 1955. Always you have to remember, when Warsaw Pact was created by USSR, 14th May 1955 in Poland. Poland was the capital where it was formed by the USSR, in Poland, 14th May 1955. Okay. A question raised that how many countries were in this treaty? How many countries were there? So 7 countries were the members of Warsaw Pact. Okay, 7 countries were the members of Warsaw Pact. Name of the countries: Albania, okay, Bulgaria, Czechoslovakia, East Germany, Hungary, Romania, and Soviet Union itself was the member of Warsaw Pact. So 7 countries were under of the Warsaw Pact. Okay, now what was the principle of Warsaw Pact? So principle of Warsaw Pact was to counter NATO's forces in Europe. Okay, so what was the function? Why Warsaw Pact was created? Because earlier I told you na that NATO was made by the America, means USA, by the 12 states. 12 states were member of the NATO. And why they created it? Because they had threat from the USSR. Might be they can be attack on any state of USSR or the Western Alliance. So if they going to attack on any of them, they will consider that they have to attack on Western Alliance. Okay, so against of Western Alliance, Eastern Alliance also made a treaty, that was Warsaw Pact, that known as Warsaw Pact. So its principle was to counter NATO's force in Europe. Okay, if they will create, they will make any tension or problem against of the Eastern Alliance, so they will be take action against of that. Okay. Okay, now continue next topic, challenge to bipolarity. Okay, challenge to bipolarity. Bipolarity means two blocks, okay, two parts of the earth. ठीक है, जिसको हिंदी में कहेंगे दो ध्रुव. ठीक है, दो टू पार्ट्स ऑफ द अर्थ, लाइक सुपर पावर्स, टू ब्लॉक्स ऑफ द अर्थ. ओके, सो हाउ bipolarity, for the bipolarity, how NAM became challenge for bipolarity, that we have to study in this topic. Okay, so first, what was NAM? What was NAM? Non-allied movement. Okay, NAM, non-allied movement. Okay, was became challenge for two superpowers, that were USA, Western Alliance, and Eastern Alliance for USSR. अब how NAM became challenge? NAM means you heard about first world, you heard about second world, you heard about third world. First world means superpowers, developed countries of the world. ठीक है, consider as first world. Second world, now developing countries, not developing countries, they also like the developed countries only, also, but they don't have the as much the facilities or the nuclear powers like the developed countries, so they came under second world. Third world, like India, like Afghanistan, Pakistan, these countries which were developing, or you can say undeveloped countries that time, they newly decolonized from the colonization. ठीक है, so that time they got independence from the colonization. And what agenda they stand for them, that called NAM. Okay, because third world countries newly decolonized from the colonization, and their condition was not good. Okay, so they need help from the both sides, from Western Alliance also, from the Eastern Alliance also. Up we can take example of India. Okay, that India decolonized in 1947, 15th August 1947. And when India got independence from colonization, India need money, India need foreign support for standing, for development, for completing needs, requirements of the people. Okay, so these were the superpowers that time, and both blocks invited India for membership. US also invited India, that India has to take membership of Western Alliance, and USSR, Eastern Alliance, Russia was also invited India as take membership of USSR. Okay, but India Indian Prime Minister that time, first Prime Minister of India was Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, and what he decided that we want help from both sides, है ना, we want help from both sides. So how can we take membership of US या फिर USSR? So what they thought that we going to take another option, we going to take another step, that was NAM. Not only India, other countries were also member which decolonized on in the same time. They also decided कि we will take this opportunity, NAM, non-allied movement, कि we not going to take membership of any bloc. Okay, we will make good relations with both allied, with the both alliances, and we will get benefits from the both. Whenever they required our helps, we will provide our helps to them also. So what third step they have taken, that was NAM. They were not the member of USSR or the Western Alliance. They did not become the member of Eastern Alliance. Okay, up now, policies which made by US for Western Alliance, that I told you. US built NATO, North Atlantic Treaty Organization, 1949, SEATO, Southeast Asian Treaty Organization, and the Central Treaty Organization. ठीक है, so these were the treaties, these were the policies which made by America, which made by the USA for Western alliances. Now come to the bipolarity that I explained you. Bipolarity, two blocks, okay, two